Did you know that public speaking is one of the most common fears in the world? It's true. Studies have shown that a significant percentage of people rank the fear of public speaking higher than the fear of death. Watch until the end to overcome your fear and embrace it head-on. This might sound surprising, but it highlights how deeply this fear is ingrained in our psyche. Many people would rather face a lion than a microphone. The thought of standing in front of a crowd, with all eyes on you, can be paralyzing. This fear transcends cultures and backgrounds, affecting people from all walks of life. This fear is deeply rooted in our biology, a primal response to potential threats. Our ancestors relied on social cohesion for survival. Being ostracized or judged by the group could have dire consequences. This ancient survival mechanism still lingers in our modern brains, triggering anxiety when we perceive a threat to our social standing. But what if we could transform this fear into an opportunity for growth and connection? Imagine harnessing that nervous energy and channeling it into a powerful performance. Public speaking doesn't have to be a source of dread. It can be a platform for sharing your unique voice and making a meaningful impact. The fear of public speaking, or glossophobia, is often accompanied by a fear of negative feedback. We worry about stumbling over our words, forgetting our lines, or being met with blank stares. This fear of failure can be overwhelming, but it's important to remember that everyone makes mistakes, and each experience is a learning opportunity. We worry about being judged, criticized, or rejected. These fears tap into our deepest insecurities, making us question our worth and abilities. However, it's crucial to recognize that most audiences are empathetic and supportive. They want to see you succeed, and are often more forgiving than we anticipate. These fears can hold us back in all areas of life, preventing us from sharing our ideas, pursuing our dreams, and connecting with others on a deeper level. Overcoming the fear of public speaking can open doors to new opportunities, enhance your personal and professional relationships, and boost your confidence. By facing this standard fear head-on, you can unlock your full potential and inspire others to do the same. Speaking up, whether it's in a boardroom or at a family gathering, is crucial for personal and professional growth. Sharing our voices contributes to the conversation, inspires others, and creates meaningful connections. Overcoming our fear of public speaking and negative feedback empowers us to embrace vulnerability and become authentic. Think about a time when you witnessed someone bravely share their story or idea. Their courage likely inspired you, challenged your thinking, or created a sense of connection. Now imagine yourself in their shoes, sharing your own unique perspective with the world. Before we can overcome our fears, we need to understand them. What triggers explicitly your anxiety when it comes to public speaking or receiving feedback? Is it the fear of forgetting your words, being judged by others, or not being taken seriously? Once we identify the root of our fear, we can dismantle it. Often, our fears stem from negative self-talk and limiting beliefs. We may tell ourselves, "I'm not good enough, people will think I'm stupid, or I'm going to fail." These negative thoughts create a self-fulfilling prophecy, increasing our anxiety and hindering our performance. So what can we do about it? Visualization is a powerful tool for overcoming fear and building confidence. Before your next presentation or meaningful conversation, close your eyes and visualize yourself succeeding. See yourself speaking clearly and confidently, engaging your audience, and handling challenges gracefully. Imagine the positive feedback you will receive, the connections you make, and the sense of accomplishment you will feel. The more vividly you visualize your success, the more your brain will believe it's possible, reducing anxiety and boosting your confidence. Remember, practice makes perfect. Like any skill, public speaking improves with practice. The more you practice, the more comfortable and confident you will become. Start by practicing your speech or presentation in front of a mirror, then gradually work your way up to practicing in front of friends, family, or colleagues. Each time you practice, focus on your delivery, body language, and message. Record yourself and analyze your performance, identifying areas where you can improve. Remember to reflect, improve, and reflect. It will help you progress and build confidence. We can start by reframing our negative thoughts. Our thoughts have a powerful impact on our emotions and behaviors. When we focus on negative thoughts, we fuel our anxiety and fear. Instead, try reframing those negative thoughts into positive affirmations. For example, instead of thinking, "I'm going to mess this up," tell yourself, "I am prepared and capable." Challenge your limiting beliefs and replace them with empowering ones. Remember, everyone makes mistakes, and feedback is an opportunity for growth. Embrace vulnerability, be kind to yourself, and focus on the positive. A story of transformation. Have you heard of the story of Susan Cain, author of the best-selling book, Quiet: The Power of Introverts in a World That Can't Stop Talking? Susan's journey is one of profound transformation and personal growth. Susan was terrified of public speaking. The mere thought of standing in front of an audience made her heart race and her palms sweat. She would often feel a knot in her stomach and a lump in her throat. She believed that as an introvert, she wasn't cut out for public speaking. The societal expectation that only extroverts could excel in it weighed heavily on her mind. She doubted her abilities and often questioned her worth. However, she knew she had important ideas to share. Her passion for the subject matter and her desire to make a difference in the world fueled her determination. She spent countless hours writing and refining her thoughts, knowing her message could resonate with many. Susan decided to face her fear head-on. She realized that the only way to overcome her anxiety was to confront it directly. She began practicing in front of a mirror, visualizing herself speaking confidently and clearly. She joined Toastmasters, practiced relentlessly, and learned to reframe her negative thoughts. The supportive environment of Toastmasters provided her with the tools and feedback she needed to improve. She practiced her speeches in front of friends and family, gradually building her confidence. Today, she is a renowned speaker who inspires millions with her message. Her TED Talk has been viewed by millions of people worldwide, and she continues to speak at conferences and events, sharing her insights on the power of introverts. Susan's story is a powerful reminder that we can overcome our fears and achieve our goals with courage and determination. Her journey shows that with persistence, support, and a willingness to step out of our comfort zones, we can transform our lives and make a meaningful impact on the world. Let us embrace vulnerability. Embracing vulnerability is essential for growth and connection. When we allow ourselves to be vulnerable, we open ourselves up to the possibility of rejection, but we also open ourselves up to the possibility of deep connection, meaningful relationships, and incredible growth. Remember, vulnerability is not weakness, it is courage. When we share our authentic selves with the world, we give others permission to do the same. We create a space for empathy, understanding, and connection. By embracing vulnerability, we step into our power and inspire others to do the same. So come on, your journey starts now. Overcoming the fear of public speaking and negative feedback is an exciting journey, not just a destination. It's a path brimming with opportunities for growth and self-discovery. Each time you stand up to speak, you are not only addressing an audience but also embracing your own potential. There will be challenges along the way, but remember, every step you take is a step towards empowerment and success. These obstacles are not roadblocks, but stepping stones that help you build resilience and strength. Embrace each challenge with excitement and let it fuel your determination to succeed. Celebrate your successes, learn from your experiences, and always believe in yourself. Each victory, no matter how small, is a testament to your hard work and perseverance. Reflect on your journey, acknowledge your progress, and use it as motivation to keep moving forward with enthusiasm. Start by setting small, achievable goals for yourself. Break down your larger objectives into manageable tasks that you can tackle individually. This approach will make your journey exciting and more attainable. Perhaps you could volunteer to speak up in a meeting, share your ideas during a group discussion, or take the lead on a project. These small actions will help you build confidence and develop your public speaking skills in a supportive and positive environment. Join a public speaking group, such as Toastmasters, where you can practice and receive constructive feedback from others working to improve their skills. Being part of a community can give you the encouragement and support you need to keep pushing forward with excitement. Or ask a trusted friend for feedback on a presentation. Practicing in front of someone you trust can help you gain valuable insights and build confidence in a safe and supportive setting. Each small step builds your confidence and brings you closer to your goal. Remember, The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Keep moving forward, stay committed to your growth, and you will achieve the success you desire. Your journey starts now, and with each step, you become your best version. Let's get started. Remember to share your experiences in the comments below. Your voice matters. The world needs your ideas, your perspectives, and your stories. Don't let fear keep you from sharing your gifts with the world. Embrace vulnerability, step into your power, and let your voice be heard. Hit that like button and please subscribe. What challenges have you faced? What strategies have helped you overcome your fears? Your insights may inspire and empower others who are on their journey. So let's wrap it all up. The fear of public speaking and negative feedback can be paralyzing, but it doesn't have to control your life. By understanding your fears, practicing consistently, reframing negative thoughts, and embracing vulnerability, you can transform this fear into a catalyst for growth and connection. Step into your power, share your voice, and watch as you inspire yourself and others. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons, and look out for more inspiring videos that could help transform your life.